Do you have a worn or broken drive belt on your Ranger midsize 570? Today I'm going to show you how to change that. My name's Kristen, and this is Maintenance Matters. You're going to start by removing the 8 screws that are holding your clutch cover on. Remove the clutch cover. You may have to wiggle it around some components to get it off. Set it aside. With the clutch cover off, in order to loosen your belt up, you're going to grab it top and bottom, squeeze it together. This will pull it down further into the sheaves and loosen it up. Now that it's loose, you'll slip it over the edge of your secondary clutch. You may need to spin it a little to get it completely loose. Slip it over your primary clutch. When inspecting your belt, you'll want to pay attention to how the riding is. If you're reinstalling the same belt, you'll want to reinstall it the exact same way it came off. What you'll be looking for is any dry rot cracks or any missing or grooved teeth. This one looks like it's in pretty good shape, so we'll be able to reuse that. With your belt out, you'll want to check for any groovings in the sheaves on your primary and secondary clutch. If there is any groovings or chunks taken out of the metal, you'll need to replace your clutch. You'll want to wipe down the inside of your clutch cover and your clutch housing just to be sure there's any excess dust or dirt or any kind of belt dust. If there is any excess belt dust, you can use brake cleaner to get that off. Just be sure everything is dry before reinstalling the belt. When reinstalling the belt, slip it over your primary clutch first, and then secondary. Be careful not to spin your secondary clutch too much while putting the belt back on, otherwise the sheaves will close up and make it difficult to get it all the way on. Once it is on, you can spin the clutch until your belt tightens up and the teeth are in line with the top of your clutch. Now you can reinstall your clutch cover and you're good to go. That's how easy it is to change your belt. Happy riding.